Hello art friends, we're going to be drawing the Baltimore Ravens logo. So we're going to get a little quick little sketch of it. Go. We got the B inside. Bird eye here, little zigzag, lots of zigzags. All right. Okay, now you guys stay with your pencil. All right, so we got this laid out nice and loose, kind of got a direction of where it's going. Okay, so I did a nice swooping line, little zigzag, zigzag. It's gonna go straight and then drop. And then we got the little bird mouth coming out here. And then it's gonna come up. And then there's a little gap there. And we're gonna come make an S, come back. Zigzag, zigzag, in until it meets up there. And we're gonna have a line coming up, zigzag, and we're gonna have a line, a little half circle here, half circle here. There we go, and then it's gonna zigzag back like that. And then if we come down here, it's gonna continue zigzag, and then it gets a little curvy, 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 curvy. And then we got the Baltimore B, so it's gonna come around and come back, and it's gonna come back out, kind of curved. Then we're gonna have the inside of the B like that, and then from there it's gonna come around, and then we got like a little line here, and then it's gonna come up slightly and back in, and then we're gonna come straight down from that with our other B hole. I did say B hole. Then we're gonna just outline this for a little fancy effect. And there we go, Baltimore Ravens. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.